What's going on today, guys? We're bringing you another update on his STI.
And what I've done today is I've actually installed a new exhaust system. Now I bet you're wondering what exhaust system this is, but I will tell you that right after this break. Okay, so I wanted some sound out of my car. And of course everybody knows Subarus for their sound, the boxer rumble, or the burble as I like to call it. And so I would be looking online from time to time, just looking for, I guess, different sounds that I liked or didn't like. And something I noticed was a lot of the sounds were a little bit too loud, and they didn't really suit my taste. For example, this person over here tried to get me to buy a P&L system, and if anybody knows what P&L systems are, they're extremely loud, might as well be straight pipe. And I just said, I said no.
It's straight pipe.
So I kept looking for myself, and actually found the Invidia N1 exhaust. And of course it's single exit, but it is an exhaust system I like. It doesn't sound too loud, it's not overly drony, and it actually comes with a silencer, which is pretty cool. So if I don't want that loud sound one day, I don't have to have it. We're about to start it up for the first time. Hopefully we don't have any leaks or anything, but wish us luck.
Cross your fingers. And as always, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps our channel grow. So, you have any future modifications for the STI?
Well, probably plan on putting on some taillight overlays. I already have them, thanks to this person here.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I know. And there's some other stuff coming down the pipe, but that's a surprise, and I'll tell you that a little bit later.
So, just stay tuned.
He meant stay tuned, guys.